Today we are going to do three things together. We are going to review our vowel sounds, review our welded sounds, and review what a closed syllable is. Then I'm going to dictate 10 closed syllable words to you, and you are going to tap them and then spell them on a piece of paper. Then you are going to tap them again, looking at the word and making sure you spelled it correctly, and then we'll move on to the next word. I will spell the word and make sure you got it right. Then we will do our 2 sight words for today. So let's get started. A, repeat this with me please. A, apple, a. E, ed, e. I, itch, I. O, octopus, ah. U, up, ah. Now for our welded sounds. A-L-L, all, ball, all. A-N-K, bank, ank. I-N-K, pink, ink. O-N-K, honk, onk. U-N-K, junk, unk. A-N-G, fang, ang. I-N-G, ring, ing. O-N-G, song, ong. U-N-G, lung, ung. T-C-H, ch. That's just an extra. We weren't going to do those. Next, I'm going to review with you what a closed syllable is. A closed syllable is a word that has one vowel. After the vowel can be at least one consonant. There could be 2 consonants, there could be 3 consonants. But the vowel is short. So you know how to spell words that have the short vowel sound because they are going to be followed by a consonant. Let's begin. Do you have your paper and pencil ready? I'm going to dictate a word, and then you repeat the word. And then we're going to tap the sounds that are in the word together. And then I'm going to pause and I'm going to give you time to write the word. Our first word is twist. Repeat it. Twist. Now we're going to tap it. Ta, wa, I, st. Go ahead and write it. Now look at your paper and tap it again, the word twist. Ta, wa, I, st. Did you write all the sounds? T, W, I, S, T. Very good. Our next word is brings. What is the base word of the word brings? The base word is the word without the suffix. Well, the suffix is S, so the base word is bring. Bring has a welded sound in it, I-N-G. So the way we tap it is ba, ing, because you know how to spell ing. Bring, ba, ing. Go ahead and write bring, and then put your suffix on the end. Okay, did you do that? Now let's tap it again. Brings, what is the base word? Bring. Tap it and look at it. Ba, ing. Put your suffix on. Did you spell it correctly? B, R, I, N, G, and your suffix is S. Very good. The next word is shrimp. Shrimp. Let's tap it. Sh, I, m, p. Go ahead and write it. Okay, let's look at that word and let's tap it again. The word is shrimp. Sh, I, m, p. Did you write all the sounds? S, H, R, I, M, P. Shrimp. Your next word is plants. What is the base word of plants? The base word is the word without the suffix s, so the word is plant. Let's tap plant. Pa, o, a, n, t. Go ahead and write plant and then add your suffix. Okay, let's look at the word again and let's tap it again and let's look and see if you spelled it correctly. Pa, o, a, n, t, and add your suffix s. P, L, A, N, T, S. Very good. Our next word is crust. Crust. Let's tap it. Ka, a, st. Crust. Go ahead and write it. Now look at the word and let's tap it again, looking at the word to make sure you did all the letters. Ka, a, st. Crust. C, R, U, S, T. Very good. Our next word is crafts. Crafts. Like I made crafts at Girls Club. What is the base word of crafts? The base word is craft. Let's tap craft. Ka, a, ft. Craft. Go ahead and write craft and then add your suffix. Okay, now look at what you wrote and let's tap it again. Ka, a, ft. Craft, and add your suffix s. C-R-A-F-T-S. Our next word is drench. Let's tap drench. Da, a, n, ch. Go ahead and spell drench. Okay, look at drench and let's tap it again and make sure you have all the sounds in drench that it needs. Da, a, n, ch. D, R, E, N, C, H. Our next word is blinks. Blinks. What is the base word of blinks? Blink. Blink has a welded sound in it. Do you hear that? Let's tap it. Ba, ol, ink. Go ahead and write blink and then add your suffix to make it blinks. Okay, look at the word again and let's tap it and you make sure you have all the sounds on your paper. Ba, ol, ba, ol, ink. And add your suffix s. So it's B, L, I, N, K, S. Your next word is flint. Flint. Let's tap it. Flint. Go ahead and write flint. Okay, look at your word and let's tap it again. Flint. 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 Next word is flask. Flask. Let's tap it. Flask. Flask. Go ahead and write it. Okay, looking at that word, let's tap it again and make sure you have all the sounds in flask. F-L-A-S-K. F-L-A-S-K. Okay, we are done with our words that have closed syllables. Now we're going to work on our 2 words that we're working on that are sight words. Our first word is friend. And remember that friend ends in end. Okay? A lot of people have the trouble between the I and the E, or is it E-I? And just remember it ends in end, so the I is going to come before the E. Friend. We don't tap it because it does not follow the rules. So you just have to memorize this one. Go ahead and spell it now. Okay, do you have it down there? Let's check it. F-R-I-E-N-D. Very good. Now I want you to spell the word want. Want. The tricky part of want is the vowel. What is that vowel? Go ahead and write want. Okay. W-A-N-T. Want. Did you get it right? If you didn't get those 2 sight words right, I would suggest that you write them about 5 times now and really concentrate on the letters. If you got them right, very good. Thank you and have a good evening.